Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fundamentally, what you will be doing after any drinking water boil water notice is flushing your plumbing system and cleaning or replacing anything that has come into contact with water. 1. First, flush hot water faucets for 15 minutes, and cold water faucets for 5 minutes or until it feels cold. 2.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you don't have safe bottled water, you should boil your water to make it safe to drink. Boiling is the surest method to kill disease-causing organisms, including viruses, bacteria, and parasites. 3 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can I wash dishes? If available, use disposable plates, cups, and utensils during a boil water advisory. Household dishwashers are generally safe to use if the water reaches a final rinse temperature of at least 150 degrees Fahrenheit or if the dishwasher has a sanitizing cycle. Be sure to sterilize all baby bottles.
Take our lead.
The notice includes water for drinking, making ice, cooking and brushing teeth. Household uses such as washing dishes, doing laundry and bathing can be done without worry, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
Let's help you make your mark.
Boiling the water kills microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, or protozoans that can cause disease. Boiling makes the tap water microbiologically safe. How long should I boil the water? Bring tap water to a full rolling boil, let it boil for 1 minute, and let it cool before using.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, with modifications if you're washing them by hand. Combine 1 teaspoon of household bleach with 1 gallon of water in a clean container and set aside. Wash and rinse dishes using hot water. Soak rinsed dishes in the prepared bleach solution for at least 1 minute. Allow dishes to thoroughly air dry on a clean surface.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.